Hello, everyone, and welcome to another important lesson on improving your listening skills. Today, we are going to talk about a different kind of listening. We are going to talk about what not to listen to. Imagine your mind is a garden. Many voices try to speak to you. Some bring beautiful seeds of hope, and some bring bad weeds of doubt. Negative words are these weeds. They can poison your garden and stop your success. We all hear negative words. Maybe someone says, you cannot learn English, or you are not good enough. But you have a power, the power to choose which words you listen to. This power is the key to your happiness and success. Let's learn how to use it. Why do negative words hurt so much? Because our brain believes what it hears most often. Negative words are like heavy stones. If you carry them, they slow you down. They attack your self-esteem. The word no or can't tells your mind to stop trying. For example, if you hear, your English is terrible, your mind might want to stop practicing. This is why we must learn to protect our listening. We must become a shield for our own hearts. Negative people often speak from their own fear, not from your reality. Where does this bad noise come from? There are three main places. Source one, other people. These are the critics. They might be friends, family, or even strangers online. Sometimes they are unhappy with their own lives and they try to make you feel unhappy too. Remember, their opinion is their story, not your truth. Source two, social media. When you scroll online, you see only the perfect, happy lives of others. This can make you feel bad about your own life. This comparison is a type of silent negative talk. Source three, your own mind, self-talk. This is the most dangerous source. It is the small voice inside that says, I made a mistake, or I am not smart. If you do not change your self-talk, you will always be your own worst enemy. Now here are three simple steps to stop listening to negative words. Step one, the mute button. When you hear a negative word, immediately say mute in your mind. Do not let the word enter your heart. Just hear it, but do not listen to it. Step two, ask the question. Ask yourself, is this word 100% true and helpful? If someone says you are a failure, the answer is no. That word is not 100% true. Immediately reject it. Step three, replace and reframe. Change the negative word into a positive one. If your mind says, I am slow at learning, immediately replace it with, I am careful and steady at learning. If someone says, that is too hard, say, that is a great challenge for me. Your listening journey is important, not just for English, but for your life. You cannot control what others say, but you can control what you listen to. Be kind to yourself. Choose to listen to words of encouragement, hope, and possibility. Every day, practice this new listening skill. Use the mute button. You are strong. You are smart. You can do anything you set your mind to. Thank you for listening to this important lesson. If you want more easy English lessons like this one, please subscribe to our channel and join our community. Listen clearly, speak confidently. See you next time.